Hi everyone, Adam here, and this is my report for sprint number 11 in the Fedora Modularity project. My first task was documenting the main differences between PDC and BPO because there have been some confusions. So, long story short, PDC, which is Product Definition Center, but it should be called Metadata Database because that's what it is, will be a database that stores all the module metadata, while BPO will be a web UI that will show you these metadata plus build states of modules and the components. The confusion which we had was mostly because BPO has its own database and PDC has also its web UI. But the web UI of PDC is not implemented yet for modules, and BPO uses the database just as a cache to make the user interface quick. So the decision was PDC as a database only and BPO as a user interface, the single user interface. If you have a look at the modularity infrastructure document, I guess it's already in this state, but it doesn't mention explicitly this difference. So I guess I will edit it and do the mention by myself, but I want to talk to Ralph first because I don't want to make any changes in this document. Next thing I did was some updates about the BPO itself. So now we can see the module detail page, and there has been some changes. So the first one is there is a new field distributing that replaced the composing artifacts and copying into mirrors because these two can be parallel actions, so I just merged it into one. Another thing is that I am able to see details of every step. So for example, if I click on building components, I can see a list of all these components and their build states here. This is currently the only implemented one, so if I click on distributing, there's nothing for now, but it will come in next releases. Another thing is this menu up here. I have some new parts here, so these are information about the modules, and on the right side some relations and other stuff. So I can see components, dependencies, and I will be able to see install profiles and API. On the right side, I can see component of, which means this module might be component of other module stack, and dependency of, and also artifacts. So that's everything from me. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.